Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for your support and big up on yourself. Uno come here quick and fast. A parable day today. I don't want no name over here, so don't type no name in the comment section because I go delete you if I don't put any name. Yeah. So I want to since me see I come fit talk quick and fast. Me not stop long. So me not pass one place once when you go wrong, so and you go up so. Me see the dressmaker, the seamstress, you know the one I cut up a Claat them. I cut up all up a Claat them. And she don't make no clothes. Everybody take a Claat them from her. Me see her in a one church. Me see her in a one church yesterday. Yeah. So it look like say she go for ask for forgiveness for you up a Claat them what she cut up. Yeah. The Claat cutter go for ask for forgiveness. Yeah. So she in one church. But me know the day before she cuss out the baker man. The baker man from England. Yeah. She cuss him up. Yeah. Because somebody must go over her yard and pretend say them are the baker man. You know these people when them up to no good. Yeah, if you draw out people because they want the drama and the content on social media. I wonder who. Yeah. Me no wonderland. And me think me know who few people up on the list, yeah. So yeah, so she goes out to baker. People them a run road like madams. Since the lady announced her thing, like them can't second. Then can't sleep at night because I'm a worry and fret. No, sir, this is serious. Yeah. So, she goes out the baker. And the baker was wondering why she thinks he would have come her yard. Yeah. Because a fake page. Yeah, people. The miscreants them will go around because trouble. Yeah. So, that's it. Yeah. The man saying wouldn't go a yard anyway, and for last year anyway she did go get mixed up in a bangarangs when the man named Chovlar here. Yeah, and you know Chovlar, but you know through him and the lady, yeah, don't so hope so, yeah, friends, yeah, that's what. Them ready for run out. Run out but a little thing on him. Yeah. So me run one little corners too. And me hear one of them. One of them people there. Well, always the funny woman name. And she always do these lives and then delete it. So she the funny woman name. And then she said, then take down the take down her page or take down the live or something like that. Something to that effect, she said. So, the way this woman was behaving on her live, I'm thinking to myself, she even actually attacked, say, she go over the lady yard, over the big platform yard, and she sit down and she scream and stream the live and all them something there. And she see people put her name in the comment section. So she screaming live to come to talk to them and all that, yeah. So I was thinking these people don't have no shame. So then going to them fake page, them have them fake page that then going to. Yeah, because me know them in that say to the woman over by London Bridge. When she go over the lady yard, me see one something when me not pass somewhere, me look on them and somebody was saying why she go in her real name. Yeah. Why she did go over there go type in her real name. But such lady says she always go. She big bad and bold, she always going after her real name and she pay her bills. That's what the lady from the London Bridge area say. So yeah, so this is it. These people are just troublemakers. And I'm just thinking to myself, you know, say, The lady from should have did move in silence, She shouldn't have did listen to her manager. She should have did just move in silence and not say nothing. Yeah. Because these people, them is just too much now. Them too much. And maybe she need not to say nothing about her meet and greet. Yeah, she need to postpone it, put it off till another time. And me hear one miscreants, me hear something round one place, one miscreants attack things, what she a go do. So, at the moment, it's not a good look really, because these people are real troublemakers. Yes, she need to go over there and then sort out what she have to go sort out with the law first, and then sort out the before she do the meet and greet. That's my opinion anyway. I just quick go chat me the comfy talk for telling about the Claat cutter and all them little things that she he look like she go to church. You have to forgive me. Oh, you want a little bit me figure. Me see the man, the wanted man, come back out for her. Yeah. And come out for her again. Yeah. Because I don't know what she say about him, but I know she talks so she go do X, Y, Z and all kind of something she go do. But then she have no ground for stand on, because she cuss this man and I call him all kind of name under the sun. So it's not like that she's innocent. She's not innocent either, so she can't talk really, because she creates a lot of problems too. And and her language on social media is just too much. Yeah, that's all me have to say to her anyway. Farm man don't talk and she's out.